the mind plays a big part in saving. The trick called saving plays a big part in building your future. Saving pertains to setting aside a specific amount of money that will probably help you later. But do you know that the mind plays a big part in saving? The mind allows us to think and control what we do. Training and teaching the mind will help you be able to save properly. Do you want to know how you can prepare your mind for saving? In this video, we will share how the mind plays a big part in saving. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Money in Mind, a fun and friendly channel that will bring you high-quality financial advice for happiness and success. Number 1. Control and manage your expenses. Expenses will always be there, from food, housing, clothing, bills, entertainment, insurance, car, and many more. The trick you should consider here is the word control. Although expenses are unpreventable, there are also expenses you can control and stop. These are expenses like luxury clothes, new phones, and expensive dining. Most of the time, these expenses are not necessary. Focus on prioritizing spending on necessities while cutting on luxuries for your wallet. Number 2. Always have a cut for your savings. The recommended allotment for your savings is 20% of your income. You should always ensure you have allotted a percent for your savings. If you think 20% is relatively high, you can still decrease it to 10%. So, for example, if your salary is $1,500, you should allocate at least $150 or $300 toward your saving. Predetermining your allocation will help you make an easier decision towards saving. Number 3. Create a systematic saving plan. So, how do you assure that you will be able to save and allocate for your savings? One way is to create a system. Once your money enters your bank, create a system that automatically stores or sends money to your savings account. Systems will help you achieve and make sure that you stay focused on your goal. Number 4. Increase your allocation as time passes by. As time passes by, there is a possibility that your expenses may start to decrease. It may be that you were able to finish paying a loan or an installment plan. It will result in you having much more money than before. It is much better if you allocate a higher percentage of your income towards savings. Instead of 10 to 20%, you should now allocate 30% of your income. That means if you earn $1,500, you will now give $450 towards savings. Allocating more for your savings will also trick your mind into thinking that maybe you shouldn't buy that new smartphone. It will help restrict your buying power for unnecessary things while increasing your savings. Number 5. Buying is better than renting. If you can buy or get a loan for a house, it is much better than renting. Renting houses, apartments, or condo units are crazy expensive. Not to mention that you will not own that property at the end of the day. It is much better to buy or loan for your property since it will make you save more money in the long run. Properties are like gold, and they also cost like gold. Every year, the price of properties and real estate increases. Not only do you save money from renting, but if you were inclined to sell your real estate, you will gain profit too. Before we proceed to the next part of the video, let me ask you a question. Do you guys rent or own a place? Is the rent price crazy high too? Please share with us in the comments down below your experiences. Now, on to the next part of our video. Number 6. Take financial classes or courses. Financial classes or courses will help your mind gather and learn information about financial literacy. They teach things like how to handle your money correctly and how you can make more money. Financial classes or courses mostly require payments, but they will help you save more money in the future. Number 7. Use your income to generate more income. Do you know that your income can generate more income as well? There are many ways you can create more revenue, such as from investments. An One example of an excellent investment is setting up a business. Businesses will help you make more money by hiring people to work for you to create a product or service. As a business owner, you don't always need to work in the product making process. Owning a business can help you make money 24/7 or even when you're sleeping. Number 8. No losses. Always get your money's worth. Although investments in businesses are known to be money makers, they sometimes fail. A failing business means you are also losing money. That's why you should create a proper business plan. Losses are always unpreventable. Invent and develop ways to cut your losses. Assess properly the business or investment you are entering. You should always ensure that you get your money's worth or know that it will last so that no money goes down the drain. Number 9. Your income raise is a celebration of your savings only. When having an income raise, prevent increasing your expenditures. Instead, increase your savings more. Prevent thinking that you have an income raise so that you don't result in spending more. Thinking like that will make you comfortable in throwing out your money. And finally, number 10. Lock your accounts. To have more control over your spending habits, you should try to lock your account. Why not leave your debit and credit cards at home or don't keep checking your banking apps? This act will help you decrease the urge to spend because it will make you think you don't have any available funds to use. And there you have it. That is how the mind plays a big part in saving. What can you say about our list? Comment your thoughts below, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to Money in Mind. Stay tuned as more content on financial advice is coming very soon. Take care, have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.